All right, this is a problem where we are trying to find a real rate of interest. And so we've got a nominal rate and we've got an expected inflation rate, and we're trying to find a real rate of interest. So recall that the formula that we're using here is the following. So 1 plus a real rate of interest should be equal to 1 plus a nominal rate of interest divided by 1 plus the inflation rate. And so remember what these things are. The nominal rate is the rate of physical cash flows that are moving around. And so this is the rate that we're actually contracting in. The inflation rate tells us about how much we expect dollars to decline in value over time. And so the real rate is an interest rate that describes not the amount of cash that changes hands, but rather the change in purchasing power as a result of the transaction. Okay, so for this problem, then, we have 1.094 in the numerator and 1.007 in the denominator. And so what is the real rate of interest? Let's divide 1.094 by 1.007, and we get this number here. So that's 1 plus the real rate. Subtract 1 from that and we have the answer. So there's the answer, 0.0864 or 8.64%. Now, just a quick note that I want to make here on this problem. So there are a number of ways that I could ask this. And so here I gave you this number and asked for the real rate. I could switch this around, right? I could change this and I could give you this number and ask for inflation. Well, that's not a problem, right? We would just solve this for a different variable. So that's 1 plus inflation is equal to 1 plus the nominal rate over 1 plus the real rate. Alternatively, I could give you this number and ask for the nominal rate. Well, do that as well. I'm just going to rearrange in a different manner. So there I know that 1 plus the real rate times 1 plus the rate of inflation is equal to 1 plus the nominal rate. So be comfortable doing this algebra to manipulate this problem as you need.